Hey, it's Jen Vax with YourColorStyle.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you the difference between the color analysis tool in the DIY mode and the Photo Draping Studio, because at first glance they seem like the same thing, but they have different features and different purposes. The Photo Draping Studio is designed to work with your purchased digital color palettes. So in this example, in this account, I have two digital color palettes that I have purchased. So when I open up the studio, you can upload your photos and then you can drape yourself in the colors of the digital color palettes that you have purchased. So in this case, I have two and I can play with these colors here. I could even give myself a little bit of a realistic drape. I can do side-by-side comparison in the Photo Draping Studio as well, and see different colors of my palettes side by side for wardrobe editing, for fun, for shopping. Okay, so that is the Photo Draping Studio. The color analysis tool in the DIY mode, because it is different than the professional version, allows you to do a self-color analysis using our professional tools. So it is a limited access, meaning that since we are giving you the opportunity to experience our proprietary professional color analysis tools and all of the color palettes, you can purchase for a limited amount of time, which should be more than enough time for you to drape in different colors and to figure out your color palette on your own. So let me show you what that looks like. So you can see here, if you have both, and you certainly could have both, this is what it would look like. The upload photo environment is exactly the same as the photo draping. You can upload the photo, you can adjust it accordingly. I highly recommend you do so if you're doing a true color analysis. Once you've adjusted it and saved it, then you go right into that. Now, in the color analysis tool, you have two different ways that you can do your self-color analysis. The first is the structured color analysis, where you will walk yourself through the 3 steps of the Your Color Style methodology and make some decisions as you go. Then you come over to the undertones, which is step 2, and you will drape yourself in key colors that we provide for you. You can even colorize the lips if you want to see a warm lip and a cool lip on you to help you decide whether you are warm or cool. Then when you make that decision, you move on to the 3rd step of the color analysis methodology, which is chroma, so that you can decide if you like yourself in the clear, brighter colors or more soft and muted. And that's how you would know what your color palette is. You can also go to palette comparison, where you will have access to all of our color palettes to play with. So let's say that you draped yourself and you're now stuck between soft, warm, and medium and clear, warm, and medium. Now you can go back and forth between these two and play with certain colors and see which palette really feels best for you. Once you've made the decision of what your best color palette is for you, you can purchase your digital color palette so that you'll have access to it all the time. And I highly recommend that you purchase the Photo Draping Studio so you can continue draping yourself in the colors of your color palette. It really helps you narrow things down of which ones you love, which you can then favorite into the app and help you do some pretty awesome wardrobe editing and decisions for the colors that you love best. So that is the difference between the DIY color analysis tool and the Photo Draping Studio. Before you go, let me show you the professional color analysis tool. This is the exact tool and system that our trained color analysts use, as well as our students as they're working through their assignments. It is very similar to what I just shown you, but there are some key differences, and the biggest one is the client management. Here, the first thing you see is you create a client, and then you can manage them here and open them back up at any time. So let me just open up one of these, and then you can see you're back to the same interface when it comes to uploading the photo and adjusting it. The tool is exactly the same as I had just shown you for the DIY experience. The biggest difference is that as a professional, you have the ability to upload multiple photos, create clients, and have ongoing access as long as their subscription is active. And if you are part of our color analyst training program, you have access to it for the full year. So I hope this video cleared up any confusion between our tools. I will leave links to the digital color palettes, the Photo Draping Studio, and the color analysis tool for you to explore and learn more about. I'm Jen Vax, and thank you so much for watching.